Hey guys, in this video I'm going to tell you the next step of the optimization of the blog post. So everything is uploaded and I have checked the rank yesterday after about 24 hours from publishing the blog post, and for the keyword Shopify SEO checklist, I'm already on the third page, which is fantastic. And when I check this keyword on mobile, so this is the website, when I check this keyword on mobile, I noticed that my video, one of the videos within the article is already on the first page. The one that has got this keyword is actually 42 point SEO checklist and then updating meta titles. So I am going to edit the titles of all the videos that I have created with this guide to add this title at the beginning. So I will put 42 point Shopify SEO checklist and add dash and then edit meta titles in Shopify. There's no point to repeat it now because it's already Shopify, and I'm going to put about 100-word description as well, just to further help those videos rank.